السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. كل نفس ذائقة الموت. Honorable, esteemed audience, respected judges, and my dear brothers and sisters. Today I am here to talk on the topic of the concept of death and hereafter in Islam. I hope you will listen to my speech carefully and act upon it. My dear audience, death is a fact which cannot be denied. Many people of this world deny everything, even their creator, while they cannot deny the death. Everyone knows that we will die one day, but many people consider that death is nothing more than an end of life. My dear audience, there are three stages of life, each of them after one another. The first is this world in which we are living now with our body and soul, that is called the world of action and the world of trial. Whatever we are doing here, good or bad, will be asked and assessed before Allah, and we will be accountable of our every good and bad deed. Second is the world of barzakh, which is the world of soul, where we will receive temporary rewards. And third is the final world, akhirat, in which every soul will be rewarded or punished. My dear audience, one day every one of us will have to die, and everyone has to give answer of his deeds. We have come single and we will have to go single too. Neither our children nor our wealth will benefit us, as says in Quran, كل نفس ذائقة الموت وإنما توفون أجوركم يوم القيامة فمن زوزع عن النار وأدخل الجنة فقد فاز. Respected audience, the life of this world is very short, but it is very precious. It is the trail of hereafter. The life of this world is not given us for enjoying, but it has been given us for praying Allah and remembering Him. Allah mentioned in the Holy Quran, وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. My dear audience, according to this verse, if we lead our life according to the Quran, Hadith, then surely we'll be successful in the hereafter. May Allah give us provide to live our life according to the teachings of Islam. Ameen. In the lack of time, I would like to conclude my speech. We shall meet again in near future to discuss on various topics, inshallah. Thank you. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.